lovelies, welcome back. Today I'll be using the Tammi for Revolution Tropical Twilight palette to create a look. So if you want to see what I created, of course, keep on watching. I've already done my foundation off camera. I've used the Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 430 and I've done my brows. And now I'm just priming my lids and I'm using the Pro Concealer from LA Girls. I forgot the shade, but I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. I'm just blending that out and then I'm going to set it with some Ben Nye Banana powder so that my eyeshadows will last and they have something to stick to, because I have oily lids, so it's good for me to set my concealer. Guys, I had no idea what look I was going for, but that blue called Nightfall really was speaking to me, and so I decided to just go in and try it out. So what I'm doing right here, you guys, is taking my time to build up that blue because it's quite pigmented and I don't want to go in too much and have a hard time blending. So I take my time and I build up, and as I build up, I blend, and I'm blending that in the crease area and also on the outer corners.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh.
So the same concealer I used as my base, I'm going to use it to carve out that part of my lid, because that's where I want to lay down my other shadow that I'm going to be applying right about now. But I just want to make sure that I have something so that whatever I'm going to use has something to stick to.
Just answer all my questions just to show me.
Right, guys, so as I said, I had no idea what look I was going for, but that glitter called Firefly, it's so lit. It was just speaking to me and calling my name, so I decided to use it. I should have used an eyeshadow underneath it, but I was way too excited and I decided to just go ahead and apply it on top of the concealer, and it worked. It's such a pretty pressed glitter. You've got flexes of yellows and golds and reds and blues and greens. It's just amazing. You cannot really see it like this, but when you actually look at it in the palette, it's such a beautiful pressed glitter. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just using my finger to just press that onto the concealer. As I said, I should have used a glitter glue or an eyeshadow underneath, but it seems to be working and I'm quite, happy with the results. Then I'm going to go ahead and quickly do a wing. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and this is also one of my favorite. I've been using this for so long and I really, really like how it works. The tip is just so precise and it gives me such an easy way of doing my wing, so I always gravitate to this liquid liner from e.l.f.
We can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good.
And lashes are on, you guys. I'm wearing the Sally lashes from ShaunzBeauty.com. The link is in the description box below. Go ahead and pick up a pair for yourself. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes, and I'm using the Sephora Kohl pencil. And then I'm going to use some of that same blue called Nightfall to smudge underneath my lash line area.
To show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
And to conceal, you guys, I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J12. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out and then set that with the Ben Nye banana powder.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you.
Okay guys, I'm going to use the shade called Sun Rays, and I'm going to use that as my highlight because it makes for a great highlight. This palette can be used on your face as well as on your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and use Sun Rays as my highlighter, and then I'm going to go in with Tanned as my contour.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.
Okay guys, so I decided to do a little bit of blush, so I'm using the shade called Sundown, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my cheeks just to give it that little flushed look. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out because these shades are quite pigmented. So you want to start off very small and work your way up and blend. Okay, and to finish off the look, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the lip liner called Glory. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade called Muse on my lips and just blend those in together.
Ooh, I do your door 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
And there you have it, guys. This is a look I came up with. I had no idea what I was going to do, so this is what I came up with. I do hope you liked it. Of course, go ahead and thumbs up the video and make sure that you leave me a comment to let me know if you liked the look. Turn your notifications on and subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me